Hi everyone, it's Deb Houck, and I am a new Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I started on July 2nd, and I'm having a blast with the paper pumpkin kit. So the other day I came on and I showed you what I made and how to make the basket, and how basically I walked you through making the note cards the way they were shown on in the package, in the box, which is really cute. But I thought today I wanted to do a few my own way. And remember, I had said that I thought these little, actually turned out to be tags, looked like mason jars, like this was the lid. So I wanted to do something with that. So the first one that I did, oh, and the other thing is, these papers that came in the pack to go in the baskets, they gave us a bunch of them. So I have a lot of this tissue paper, and I only have 2 more boxes to do, so I didn't need all of this for the little baskets. So I cut a square on this one to just about fit the size card. Then I took one of my little mason jar tags. I did not punch the hole out of the bottom. I wrapped the twine around it to make it look like a little gift jar. And then I put some blueberries on and some of the sticker leaves, and instead of using the soft suede that came, the ink Stampin' Spot that came in the kit, I actually used one of the new blueberry bushel in colors that I got in my starter kit, because I got the in color selection of stamp pads, 10 of them, for joining up with Stampin' Up. That was my free thing. I had to order $99. It was $125 worth of stuff for $99, but then I also got 10 ink pads basically free for joining as a demonstrator, and that promotion is going on still through July 31st. So if you are interested in becoming a demonstrator, now's a great time, because you'll get 10 ink pads of your colorway choosing. There's like 5 different colorways, so I picked this one. And so I used the blueberry bushel ink, and I used the For You, which I had not used in the other ones. That was out of the stamp in the kit. And on the inside I stamped Enjoy. On the other ones I hadn't stamped anything on the inside. So I thought that came out cute. So I did that one, and then I did one with the apple with the green paper in the background. Again, the green mason jar. And this time for the ink I used Lemon Lime Twist, which was also part of my selection that I got. And again, I put Enjoy on the inside. And then the last one, I don't know if you recall, but in the stamp set, there was this basket weave. And I thought, I'd like to use that on something. So what I did is I took one of the note cards, and I did use the soft suede this time. And it has a up and down and across one. This little section is the stamp. So I did 2 across here that way. Then I flipped it over and did it with the long part here and then the shorter part. And I just kept alternating that down the cards. I didn't get it perfectly lined up every time, but it's okay. I used the red jar. I did not put the twine around this time. I did use the bars, the original bars, the way they did them on the tags. This time the ink I used was Lovely Lipstick. Now I think the color red here is more like their real red that they have, but I don't have that. So I used the Lovely Lipstick, and I think it looks fine. And then I wrapped the twine around the card this way and tied a little bow down here, because I think it just needed a little something down in this section. And then again on the inside I stamped Enjoy with the Lovely Lipstick. So those are some alternate ways of doing the note cards. And you know, you can use whatever inks you have. And then I thought, well, what else can I do different? So I was looking at these little envelopes, and a thought occurred to me. And here's my thought. Well, I made this little mini flip book and I stamped on it For You with the Lovely Lipstick. So you flip it open, it's from the envelopes, and it says thank you, and then you open it here. And what I've done is I put in one set of all the little fruit cutouts. I'm going to put more of the little bits of the tissue paper. I've also put in one piece of the vellum, some of the Stampin' Dimensionals, some of the glue dots, one of the jars, and one of the note cards. Whoever places their first order with me of $25 or more, I will send this to as a little thank you. So yeah, a little mini flip book and enough to do a note card. And then you'll have extra dots and things and fruit pieces and tissue that you'll be able to do some other things with. I place an order with me of $25 or more, and I'll add a little bit more to this. I will send you a little mini note card kit for you to use. Okay? So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed, but see, you can think outside the box, so to speak, the paper pumpkin box, and make things as you would like to. I may do one more set of note cards because I have 3 more envelopes left. And I'm thinking I might not use the fruit on them this time, so I have to think about it a little more. We'll see what I come up with. But that's my alternates 1, and this one's different still, 2, and a little mini flip book out of the envelope, so 3. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and like I said, whoever places the first order of $25 or more, which is easy to do, and there's so many things in the catalog and online. I'll put my information below, but when you go onto the Stampin' Up website, which I'll put below also, look at the very top right, you'll see Find a Demonstrator. Then you'll get 2 options. One says Find a Demonstrator Near Me, and then the other one is Find My Demonstrator. Go into the Find My Demonstrator and type my name, Deb Houck, H-O-U-C-K, Malvern, PA. I think actually you only had to put PA and 19355 in there, and I should come up because I've checked it and I have come up, and someone else has found me already too. So if you do that and then you just go to shop, you know, if you click on me, it says, it gives you options of start shopping or join, so you can do whichever one you like or both. And if you join before July 31st, under me, you have to spend $99. You get $125 worth of product that you choose for $99. And then you will also get, through July 31st, 10 stamp pads, and I believe there's 5 different colorways. There's neutrals, brights, regals, this in color selection that I have, and there's one other, subtles I believe is the other one. So you can pick from whichever one of those you like and get those free in addition to your $99 of merchandise to become an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator. If you'd like to discuss that further and know what else is required when you become one, please contact me through my email, which I'll link below as well. It's dahliadesigns57@gmail.com, and I'll be happy to discuss that with you. But anyway, even if you don't want to join and you just want to place an order, that would be great. That would help me so much. And like I said, I'll send this little booklet out with a little mini note card kit for the first person that buys $25 or more of merchandise. Okay? Have a wonderful day. Until the next time, talk to you soon. Hugs, love, and peace.